What's up, Funtown RV fans? Garrett Shear here again at our indoor showroom in I-45, Corsicana, Texas. Stand in front of our South Bay S224FCR model. South Bays are a great boat, full composite deck, stainless steel hull, as well as fixtures. Biggest benefit about this 24-foot model is the fishing setup in the back. It's got great Livewell, captain chairs, everything you'll need to stay out on the water. So here in Corsicana, we're centrally located in Texas around a lot of great lakes, including Richland Chambers, Cedar Creek Lake, just to name a few. That's where this model is going to come in handy. You've got plenty of front seating with storage underneath. Got a nice little party area. Again, this table is removable and easily stowable as well. But one of the biggest benefits on the FCR fishing model is this fishing system back here. Got a built-in live well, as well as tackle storage, rod holders on top and bottom, swivel captain's chairs so you can fish forward or back, or just hang out with your friends. Got dual entry doors on both sides, easily accessible to the rear end if you're towing something, or again, just going swimming, bringing in that big fish, whatever you're out on the water having fun doing. For more info, check out funtownrv.com/Corsicana.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.